Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Style Chana Masala.
It has a unique taste. This chana masala recipe is very tasty when served along with puttu, poori and chapati. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of soaked chickpeas. We have soaked overnight for 8 hours. We have to soak at least 8 hours. Add 1 sliced onion. For thickness, add 1 sliced potato. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2.5 cup of water, mix it well and cook on high flame until 6 whistles. Cooking time would be different for each cooker, so you have to be careful. In between, we can make the grind mixture. Take a grinder, add 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 or 3 shallots, 5 to 6 curry leaves. For thickness, add 1 small potato. Now we are adding 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add more if you need it more spicy. Also add 2 teaspoon coriander powder and half cup of water. Then grind it. Our chana has already boiled well. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add the grinded paste into it. Boil for another 3 to 4 minutes. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil, add 4 to 5 chopped shallots, 4 to 5 curry leaves. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until it turns light golden color. Add this final ingredient to the chana masala curry and mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Our Kerala style chana masala is ready. This recipe is very tasty along with puttu, poori and chapati.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.
Ba ba da ba ba.